Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin is pulling back here and it's coming to test the 40,200 support. I'm worried about this support. I'm worried that it's a rounding top. I'm going to monitor it closely. My gut is telling me we should be getting out of everything and then reallocating into things that have not yet pumped. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals for Bitcoin. Pre-market tech stocks up. Altcoins getting hammered. Pocket down 10%. Look at this Intel. Bitcoin dropping 40,400, down 2.6%. It's holding onto the line. It bounced. Look, it came in bouncing on, coming close to my line. It looks like it's going to break it, and it looks like it's a rounding top. And it looks like the next support will be 40,000 down here. This is very strong area support. 40,271. Sorry, 37,000 is the next area of support. Bitcoin's heading to 38,000, everyone. If we don't get a very big drop here, and I'm almost 80% certain that we're coming down to 37,000. I can close everything and stop like a bloodbath and then rebuy down there. I have to do it. It's going to break here, in my opinion. We break, come down, bounce off 37,000, maybe come down to 35,000. Now, do I want... It's a rounding top. Fuck. Yeah, 35,000. Okay, I'm closing everything. Unfortunately, I'm closing everything, everyone. I'll do this I'll check stocks. Okay, I have to do it individually. The account already pulling back massively. Look at this account was 515 yesterday. It was 590 at the peak, 490 right now. So it's already pulling back. But it's better I go into cash and then I start buying back everything. But my beautiful Bitcoin trade, it's now $51,000 in the profits. Already dropped a lot. It's not worth closing now. Okay, I'm just going to ladder out of some positions. I'll reduce some exposure. So this Bitcoin, I'm going to reduce some exposure. So, okay, I'm going to reduce this Bitcoin holding. I like my Bitcoin, but after the ETF, I feel like they're shaking us out. But alts will get hammered if Bitcoin breaks here. That's the problem. They're already getting hammered. Look, Doge down 5%. Everything's down 5%. MCRT holding, Pocket down 11%. USDT. And problem is I'm mostly USDT. World token did shit. 15k, it's like 12,700. I feel I should reduce exposure here. And I can buy back again. But it's already down 3%. Interesting, they're spooking people out of the market. But it does look like it's going to break. And it does look like it's going to go to 38k. Then I can settle my buy orders. Down here. But the actual there's one very strong area of support, and the major area of support is actually 33k. Look, it looks like it's about to break down here. Okay, I gotta do it. Unfortunately, I don't like doing this. You know me, I like Bitcoin. I don't want to ever... Okay, I'm gonna close positions. So I'm selling at the current ask. I'll sell 2 Bitcoin. No, I'll sell 1.7 Bitcoin. I'll keep 1 Bitcoin on that trade. 1.7 Bitcoin. So I'm going to sell 40,463. 1.7 Bitcoin. No, I want to sell 1.7 Bitcoin. At 40,000, at where we are right now, 57. Sell $68,000. Sell 1.7 Bitcoin. Confirm. Okay, that's sold. Should have put it. So I've still got 95k USDT and I've got 1 Bitcoin now. Okay, I'll halve everything. I'll halve all my positions. So I'm gonna sell FXS. I'm gonna go 50% into cash. 50% on everything into cash. So I'm gonna sell FXS, $31,000 worth of FXS. In case Bitcoin pulls back, then I'm gonna buy. So FXS closing out. Uniswap. Crazy. Unfortunately, I'm gonna get hate on this video. Uniswap selling 50% of my Uniswap. So Doge selling... Oh, I like Doge, but I think... Okay, I'm gonna keep Doge because I think they can announce MCRT. I've never sold any MCRT. Okay, I'm gonna keep MCRT. I should sell both of these 50% and then buy the dip. but they can. I'm not going to sell. Okay, Pocket I just bought. I like my positions Pocket, but again down 10%. Okay, so trust my gut. Sell 50%, buy back. So okay, I halved all my positions. WorldCoin 50%. Let's cut it 50%. Okay, so I was selling positions. All of those trades are executing. So Pocket is closing. Everything else already executed. FXS. So now I've got 130k cash, and the rest is closing our position still. Pocket and FXS are closing. So those will close out positions. Doge, I didn't close out. MCIT, I didn't. Bitcoin, I closed out 2. Pocket, I closed out 50. It's closing out 50%. Uniswap closing out 50%. WorldCoin closing out 50%. My Bitcoin trade, I can reduce it. Yeah, I'm gonna take 50% of the profits here. Everyone, I'm gonna take 50% of this profit of this trade. I've had it open for a very long time. Shit, as I'm talking, Bitcoin is breaking down. So I'm gonna sell. Gonna close 50%. $40,490. Quantity 3.5 Bitcoin. Expected profit 25,000. Confirm. Okay, I just sold 50% of that Bitcoin trade. Now I've got some here. I've got some Tether. I've got Bitcoin $1,000 worth. This is small stuff. Derivatives I've closed into USDT, Bitcoin. So I'm going to get this video out quick, everyone. Now I'm going to set, but before I'm going to set buy orders for Bitcoin. Now I'm going to set buy orders. So I'm going to set buy orders for Bitcoin at major support, which unfortunately could. Okay, I think here would be the worst. Most possibly. No, 37's not so far off. Easy can come down to 37. Okay, so I'm going to set buy orders at 37 and 35,600. So I'm going to buy back that Bitcoin at 37. I'm going to buy back Bitcoin at 37. I'm going to buy one Bitcoin. 37. At 37,000 USD. And at 35, I'm going to buy 35,000. I'm going to buy 2 Bitcoin. So I've got buy orders. 2 Bitcoin at 35,000, 1 Bitcoin at 37,000. And then I'm going to do the same here at 30. Oh, that's for the trades. No, that's for the trade. So that's spot position. So I'm buying actual Bitcoin there. This is for Bitcoin position, like a leverage trade to add to my trade. I'm going to add to my trade at 35,000. I'll add, because now I closed 3. I'm going to add 2 Bitcoin at 35,000. 3 Bitcoin at 35,000. 3 Bitcoin at 35,000. And I'm going to add 2 Bitcoin at 37,000. Then I'll slowly get back into positions. So those are my orders for Bitcoin. Bitcoin 37,000, 35,000, 40,200, 32,000, too low. So those are my positions. So I'm going to buy more Bitcoin at 35, 37. I closed half of the position on that one. I moved my spot positions into 50% cash. And you can see those are still closing out. Those orders are executing. FXS is still executing. Why? Pocket and FXS still closing out positions. So that's my update on Bitcoin. Everything you see here, everyone, you can learn to do in more depth under the video. Go down below. One is the exchanges I use. Bybit gives me $30,000 bonus. Crypto Master course where you learn all this and the laws of money, how to keep money, stock course, etc. 3, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you. This class was like a master class in selling and moving huge amounts. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. I cut 50% on my positions. I'm going to check the tech stocks in the next video, maybe reduce tech stocks, and then I'm going to now I'm mainly in cash. Everyone thinks, oh no, you're selling. Awesome. I'm taking profits on massive gains from 150k on that account. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that 50k cash. If we do crash, I'm going to buy more on the dip. You saw the buy orders. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Join us, take all the courses, understand what I'm doing, comment, join in the Telegram. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.